Hello everyone, William from Adare Machinery here, and if we have two loves in life, it's Bobcat track loaders and attachments. And I'm standing beside one of the biggest in the world, an all-new T770, with a lift capacity of almost 1,500 kilos and an operating of 4.8 tons. But what makes this machine more special is what's on the front of it. An all-new Bobcat Forestry mulcher. The Bobcat Forestry mulcher is one of over 100 attachments in the Bobcat range, but easily one of the most impressive. The Forestry cutter attachment cuts, grinds and mulches trees within minutes. Top applications include right-of-way clearing and maintenance, land clearing, extraction and access route maintenance. With 3 models to choose from, with cutting widths ranging from 1.5 to 2 meters. The compact size of the machine and its unmatched manoeuvrability allow the operator to slalom between the trees to reach the unwanted ones or the cutting area without damaging surrounding vegetation. The Bobcat loader and mulcher are a completely integrated system, with the belt and motor designed to match the performance of the machine. The drum is larger with a low profile, forged with heavy steel, giving this machine a 19.5 centimeter cutting diameter. The larger diameter allows the machine more cutting surface, which gives this mulcher outstanding performance. One of the biggest things when operating a machine like this is safety, and Bobcat have done an outstanding job in protecting the operator. First and foremost, you have a new front door, but not any ordinary front door. This door has 3/4 inch laminated polycarbonate to protect you from any objects or materials that would potentially fly into the front windscreen. Second of all, you've got heavy duty hoses and guards protecting all your couplings and mounts on the machine. In addition to that, a falling objects protection structure. Again, protecting you when you're operating the machine from any falling debris that may come in contact with the machine. In addition, light guards both in the front and the rear of the machine, as well as covers preventing loose debris from falling in behind the machine. As always, one of the most important aspects of any machine is its cab, and that is the absolute case inside of the T770. This machine is designed for work with attachments like these, where you're spending 8, 10, 12 hours inside in the cab. Multifunction joysticks controlling every aspect of your machine and attachment, all from your fingertip. A deluxe display allowing you to configure your attachment when you need to. Apart from that, massive amount of legroom, air conditioning, radio, cup holder, everything you need to complete a full day's work. So there we have it, an all-new Bobcat T770 and Forestry mulcher ready to roll. If this or any of the other 100 attachments in the Bobcat range are of interest, simply call us on 061 397777 or visit adaremachinery.ie. We'd love to talk to you about how we can help the success of your business.